You need to watch this if you want to revolutionize your therapeutic practice. Exposing the secret to faster recovery and better patient care. Introducing Lymphatic Enhancement Therapy Certification. Coming to Davie, Florida. Imagine adding a powerful tool to your practice, the LymphStar. This game-changing device boosts your lymphatic drainage protocols, taking patient recovery to the next level. Over the past 3 decades, lymphatic enhancement technology, LET, has proven its worth worldwide. LymphStar is manufactured here in the USA by Arcturus Star Company, an FDA facility registration from 2013-2024. Occupational and physical therapists have seen significant benefits in managing post-cancer edema, surgeries, and injuries. Lymphatic enhancement technology enhances lymphatic flow and reduces swelling, improving overall recovery outcomes. But let's be clear on what lymphatic enhancement technology is not. It's not ultrasound, not a Rive machine, and not a standard electromodality. It's a unique blend of subtle energy technologies including EF, sonic, and acoustic waves. Ready to recreate or redefine your niche in the lymphatic drainage community? Visit lymphatic-enhancement-training.com to schedule your certification and explore owning your own LymphStar device. Elevate your practice. Transform lives. Thank you for your attention.